Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will tell you how the silver price can move in the next 2 days. If you look at this chart, we can see that the silver price is moving in a particular range. If you can see the range, that this is the particular range which has moved, and after crossing this range it has moved in this particular range, and if after this range is break, then it is in this particular range. It is now this we can see that there is some volatile market is this way. Okay, from this is on 8th, okay, and on 7th we have seen that it is moving in this after breaking this particular range. Now we have seen that the price of silver has moved upside, was bit volatile today. So what we can see here is that suppose if the price of silver moves below a level of 27.53, then we can see a level of 27.50 after this level. Suppose if it comes close to this 53, then there is high chances that it can break a level of 27.48 and can touch a level of 27.42. Once 27.42 is touched, then we can see a level of 27.25. okay, once 27.25 is touched, then we can expect that it can break this level and can touch a level of 27.10, and from there it can touch a level of 27. And once 27 is touched, then there is high chances it can bounce back from there, or it can make a new low, but there is high probability that it can touch this level and can bounce back from there. Suppose if it breaks this level and if it moves down from this level, then we can see a level of 26.98, and from there we can see a level of 26.88, and suppose if it goes below that level, then we can see a level of 26.81 also. Okay, but we can see a very strong support at 26.72. okay, suppose if the price of silver moves above a level of 27.80, then there is high chances that it can touch a level of 27.87, and from there it can touch a level of 27.95. once 27.95 is touched, then it can go and touch a level of 27.98, okay, which is not tested. It is only tested once here, so there is high probability that it can bounce back from this side. Okay, suppose if it breaks this level, then we can see a level of 28.07 from there, and from there we can see a level of 28.11, and from there we can see a level of 28.19. Why I'm saying you this, because if we look at the longer view, we can see a level of 28.24 if it goes above a level of stays above a level of 27.85. suppose if it breaks, what we are looking. So if you have any doubt regarding your silver position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, or a mail ID I've given in the description. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. And please watch the full video, because if you watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical is working. So I am making a trend line. If this trend line breaks up downside, then there is chances that it can go below this level. If the trend line breaks downside, then we can see there can be a sharp fall. Okay, or if this bounce back from there, then we can see a movement. We can see a level of 27.88 also, and from there we can see a good upside movement. So okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.